Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s. Next, about s, we can put this one go to here. And that should be like this. Next, we need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula. And this one equals to number 1 when s approaches to number 0. So sin 2x over 2s when s approaches to number 0, we have number 1. And now we can put number 0 on here. And this one we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.